Shri Sai Satcharitra in Marathi by late Govind Raghunath Dabholkar. Translation in English by late Zareen. Adhyay 3 OV 56. भावे विषय भोग अनवरत तेन लाभता ते दीन चित्त तयासी ही हे संत कथामृत विषय निर्मुक्त करील. Those who are uncontrollably engaged in worldly pleasures and who become abject when these are denied to them, for them, the nectar of the stories of the saints will free them from these vices. Yoga yaga dhyana dharana karu zata prayas nana आयास न लगे या कथा श्रवणा एका अवधाना वाचून. Performing yoga and sacrifices, practicing meditation and concentration requires great efforts, whereas listening to these tales requires no efforts other than attentiveness. ऐसी ही साईंची कथा निर्मळ परिसोत सज्जन श्रोते प्रेमळ जळतील पंचमहापापे प्रबळ जातील समूळ विलयाला. Let the devout and virtuous listeners listen to this pure story of Sai, by which they will be benefited, because the powerful 5 sins will be burnt completely. आम्हा भवपाशी जखडिले तेणे निजरूप वेढिले श्रवणे ते वेढे होतील ढिले स्वरूप पहिले लाधेल. Chained as we are to the worldly existence, which conceals from our view the real self, we will find that by listening to these stories, the bonds will be loosened and we will get back the original state or real self. भावे कथांचे आमरण स्मरण घडावे तयांचे नित्य परिशीलन होवो भवद्वार्ता शांतवन समाधान जीवांचे. These tales should be remembered throughout life and studied daily. They will free the listeners from worldly affairs and bring peace to all. वाचता परिसता भक्ती भावे सहज साईंचे ध्यान भावे सगुण रूप डोळा दिसावे चित्ती ठसावे दृढतर. While reading and listening with devotion and faith, let me be able to meditate on Sai. Let him appear before my eyes in his Sagun form, and let it be imprinted on my mind. येणे घडावी सद्गुरु भक्ती पावावी संसारी विरक्ती जडो गुरु स्मरणी प्रीती होवो मती निर्मल. In this way, let my devotion to the Guru grow, and let me attain detachment from the world. Let the urge to remember his name become intense and make my mind pure. ऐसीच बुद्धी धरोनी मनी कृपा केली साईनाथांनी मज निमित्ता पुढे करोनी स्वयं करणी हे केली. With this object in mind, Sainath conferred grace on me and made me the instrument while he himself wrote the book. ओटी तुडुंब लागली ओढी वासरा वीण पान्हा न सोडी हे तो धेनू ते उपज खोडी तैशीच आवडी साईंची. Although the cow's udder is full of milk to overflowing, it is natural for her to release the milk only to her calf. So is Sai's love. मज चातकाचे नि आशे आनंद घन ही माऊली वर्षे पुरवोनी माझिया अल्पतृषे भक्त प्रकर्षे निववील. For the sake of my longing, like the Chatak bird, Sai Mother showered happiness, quenching my modest thirst, and he will quench that of his devotees abundantly. काय भक्ती प्रेमाचे कौतुक, माते सलागे बाळाची भूक, तयाने न परिसता ही मुख, थान कुचुक ते कोंदी. How marvelous are love and devotion! Overflowing with the instinctive love for her child, the mother forces her milk into his mouth, even when the child does not ask for it.